Hi guys, you guys are highly welcome back to my space. In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this full-lace knotless braided wig. How I did everything from the prepping to the braiding to how I was able to achieve this. I'm going to show you guys everything in this particular video. If you want to know how I was able to ventilate this full-lace, please check my video on the last video I made on how to ventilate a full-lace. To those that kept supporting me by watching my videos and liking, I really appreciate you guys. So these are the materials we need. We need a canvas head. You can still use a mannequin head. We need a well ventilated full-lace, which I've already dropped a video on how to ventilate this full-lace. We need a rattle comb for picking. We need our scissors for cutting and trimming. We need our hair comb, and of course we need our extensions. So I'm making use of color 33. Feel free to make use of any color of your choice. So the next I'm going to do is to secure my lace on my canvas head with my secure pin. After I'm done, I'm going to be patting the lace. Okay, I've already dropped a detailed video on how to pat your full lace. Please watch that video because this is not a detailed video on how to pat your full lace. If you want to know how to pat a full lace, a very detailed video, please check my video on that. I recently uploaded a video on how to do that. And this patting, it depends on what you want. If you want a larger braid, that means your pattern should be bigger than this. If you want a smaller braid, it means that your pattern should be lesser than this. So when I'm done patting that one, I'll be starting with, the next is to prepare my extension. So I'm making use of cutting 3, okay, but I'll keep adding till I get the length I want. I don't like making use of cutting 2 because sometimes it tends to tangle. I prefer cutting 3 if I want the longer length, and then add up to the length I want. So this is how to get your cutting 3. First of all, you have to measure the extension after you open it up into 3 equal parts. Keep doing this till you get 3 equal parts. Then when you get 3 equal parts like this, you give it a first cut. Okay, then after that, the remaining one you have to cut it into 2. That's how to get your cutting 3. So the remaining one I have to divide it into 2 and cut it together with the first one we did, making it cutting 3. So, and again, the next thing is to stretch it. I prefer stretching this way than the other way because it reduces the amount of waste, like the least amount of waste you get at the end. So this is my best way of stretching. So when I get something like this, the next is to give it a nice comb. I have to comb it thoroughly. Okay, after combing, I have to apply hair cream on it. Okay, this hair cream will make it to be more shiny, and it will not tangle. Okay, that's the essence of the hair cream. Feel free to use any hair cream of your choice. So this is how I'm going to prepare all the extension. Okay, and this is the video for the preparing process. The video for the braiding process, like how I got this final product, I'll be dropping it soon after this one. So if you're here to follow me, go ahead and click that follow, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload that video, you'll get notified. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.